When you change your thinking, you will see life differently and discover new treasures in old places. So friends, change your thinking, move forward and live a happy and peaceful life. I am Biswajit, I am a math educator. Today, I am with some important questions from the chapter Area Related to Circles, class 10. These questions are from easy to difficult. I will make some more videos on this chapter and with important questions which are frequently coming in the board exams. So let us start from easy one. Question number 1. Find the diameter of the circle whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles of diameter 20 cm and 48 cm. You see, one circle here diameter is 20 cm and another circle is of 48 cm diameter. It is D1 and this is D2. Now you have to find the diameter of the third circle, area of the first circle plus area of the second circle will be equal to the area of the third circle. We will find the diameter of the third circle. You see, you have to find the diameter. Let it be D. Here you see D1 given. So R1 is equal to D1 by 2, that equal to 20 by 2 is 10 centimeter. Similarly R2 equal to D2 upon 2, that equal to 48 upon 2 equal to 24 centimeter. Now you see, we have to find the diameter of the third circle. And the area, if you add the area, this is area of the first circle and area of the second circle is also the area of the third circle. Now you see, if we take common pi, so R1 square plus R2 square is equal to pi R square. Now you see, pi cancel. Here R1 square, R1 is 10, 10 square plus R2, 24 square is equal to R square. You see here, this is 100 plus 576 is equal to R square. That implies this 676 equal to R square. Then you can find R is equal to square root of 676. Square root of 676 is 26. So 26 centimeter is the radius of the third circle. So diameter is equal to 2 into radius, you know, equal to 2 into 26, that equal to 52 centimeter is the diameter of the third circle. You see here, first circle area is pi r square, second circle it is pi r1 square plus pi r2 square, and the sum of the area is equal to the area of the third circle. Here we put the value of r1 and r2, find r, which is the radius of the third circle, and diameter is twice of radius. So this is the answer. This is very easy. Write it down. To the inner circumference of a circular track is 220 meter. Inner circumference of a circular track. You see, circular track is here. Circular track. Inner circumference given. There, let it the radius be this one radius OA. Inner circumference given 220 meter. The track is 7 meter wide. The track is 7 meter wide. This is 7 meter. Everywhere. Calculate the cost of putting of a fence. Outer circle. Fence on the outer circle. That means you have to find circumference of the outer circle. You see, let this radius be smaller. Take smaller. This one will be capital R. Here given inner circumference given. Inner circumference 2 pi r. 2 pi r given 220 meter. Clear? And wide 7 meter wide. So capital R equal to R plus 7, that equal to, we have to find this one. From this we have to find the value of R. 2 pi r equal to 220. Now you see, R will be 220 divided by 2 pi. 220 divided by 2 pi, that equal to 220 divided by 2 into value of pi is 22 by 7. By 7 means we can multiply here. See, 10, this is 5, 35 meter. 35 meter is the radius of the inner circle. The radius of the outer circle will be 35 plus 7, that equal to 42 meter. Outer circle radius find 42 meter. Clear? What to find? Calculate the cost of putting up a fence along the outer circle. Then circumference of the outer circle 2 pi r, because this is the boundary, we have to fence it. Clear? And per meter is 2 rupees. So first you find 2 pi r. 2 pi r, 2 into pi, 22 by 7 into r is 42. Now this 6 multiply 12 to the 24 to 264 meter. 264 meter is what? 264 meter is the circumference of the outer circle. We have to find the cost. Cost is rupees 2 per meter. 2 per meter, the cost is equal to 2 into 264, that equal to 528 rupees. That is the answer. It's very easy. First given radius means no, radius not given, circumference given, the inner circle, then we find the radius, and width given, add, then outer radius, then we find the circumference, and per meter given cost rupees 2, so total cost is 528. It's very easy. Write it down. Next, a bicycle wheel makes 5000 revolutions in moving 11 km. Find the diameter. Bicycle wheel. See, it is bicycle wheel. Bicycle wheel. 5000 revolutions. 5000 revolutions. 5000. In one revolution, it will cover its own circumference. In one revolution. In 5000 revolutions, it covers 11 km. That means in one revolution, 11 km, you can convert this one into meter, 11,000 meter. That means in 5000 revolutions, it covers 11,000 meter. In one revolution, it will cover 11,000 divided by 5000, that equal to 11 by 5 meter. Okay, in one revolution. So in one revolution, for diameter of the wheel, the diameter of the wheel is in one revolution, it is what? It is the circumference. So 2 pi r, this radius r, 2 pi r equal to 11 by 5 meter. What to find? Diameter. Diameter is 2r. So 2r equal to 11 by 5 divided by pi. Divided by pi. You can write here divided by pi. What is the value of pi? 11 by 5. Value of pi is 22 by 7. So you can write here 7 by 22. Divide pi. Pi value is 22 by 7. That means divide 22 by 7 means 7 and 20 multiply it. Now you see it is 2. 7 by 10 meter. So you can convert this into centimeter into 100 cm. That equal to 70 cm. So 70 cm is the diameter, because 2r is diameter. So diameter is 70 centimeter. It's very easy. First given 5000 revolutions. 5000 revolutions, 11 kilometer. In one revolution, divide it 11,000 meter, convert this into meter, divide it. So that means in one revolution means it covers its own circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 11 by 5. Then you find diameter given, so 2r. If radius is given, then you have to find r equal to this one divided by 2 pi. Okay, write it down. Next question. The difference between the radii of the smaller circle and the larger circle larger circle is 7 centimeter. Radius difference given 7. Radius of the larger circle and radius of the smaller circle. And the difference between the areas of the two circles is difference between the areas given is 1078 square centimeter. It is square centimeter. Okay. Find the radius of the smaller circle. We have to find r. Now you see, capital R minus small r given 7, and area, difference between the area is 1078. So here you can take common pi, so r square minus r square equal to 1078. Then r square minus r square equal to capital R square minus small r square is equal to 1078 upon pi. What is the value of pi? 1078 divided by 22 by 7. So divide 22, multiply 7. Now you see 11 2, 11 9, 99, 99 88. 99 88. So 11 8 is 88. Then 2 49. 49 into 7, 343. Okay, 343. R square minus R square equal to 343. Now you see, let it is equation 1, it is equation 2. Divide 2 by 1. Divide 2 by 1. 2 is what? R square minus R square is equal to 343. R minus R equal to 7. Now you see, this is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Identity is there. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b divided by a minus b, r minus r. 343 by 7. Now you see, so r plus r equal to, you divide it, it is 49. So r plus r, let it be 3, r plus r 49, r minus r 7. You see, r plus r 49, r minus r equal to 7. Simplify, adding you get 2 capital R, or it is what to find? You have to find a smaller circle, so you can subtract here. You see, if you subtract, change the sign. Okay. Now capital R cancel, r plus r, 2r is equal to 42. That implies small r is equal to 42 upon 2, that equal to 21. 21 is the answer. 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter is the answer. Here given r minus r, difference between radii of two circles 7, and difference between the area given this one. So here r square minus r square equal to 343. Then simplify, divide it, r plus r 49, r minus r plus r, simplify and find the, it is given, what is given to find the radius of smaller circle, so subtract, otherwise we add it. Clear? 21 centimeter. Write it. Next, a circular pond is of diameter 17.5, diameter d given 17.5 meter. It is surrounded by a 2 meter wide path. Circular pond surrounded by a 2 meter wide path. Diameter given 17.5, so radius equal to 17.5 by 2. If we divide 8.75 meter. Clear? Pond given, radius 8.75 meter. This is small r. Then width given 2. So capital R equal to, capital R outer radius, capital R equal to small r plus 2, that equal to small r 8.75 plus 2, 10.75 capital R. Find the cost of constructing the path at the rate of 25 per meter square. So we have to find, first we find the area of this one, then we multiply with 25 because it is given to find the area of the path. Then cost is 25 per meter square. So area of this one is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Clear? If you take pi common, that is r square minus r square. Pi you can put decimal given, you can put 3.14. R capital R is 10.75 minus square minus 8.75 square. 3.14 into, you see, a square minus b square, a plus b whole into a minus b. It will be easy for you. If you put this formula, it will be easy for you. Otherwise, you have to multiply and then find. Just to see, 3.14 into this 19.50 into 2. If you multiply 3.628 into 19.50. Okay, then this is the meter square, this is the area. Then cost, so cost equal to 25 per meter square, 25 into 6.25, so 28 into 19.50 rupees. You can find rupees. You multiply. So multiply, you can multiply this one 6.28 into 19.5, then with 25. Okay, simplify. See, 19.5 if you multiply 4, 10, 72, 82 plus 4, 82 plus 4, 86, 8, 38, 38, 18, 38, 18, 56, 56, 8, 56, 8, 64, 54, 2, 54 to 56 plus 2, 6, 6 is 12, 0.123, then you have to multiply with 25. 25 if you multiply, that means you divide it 25 multiply. You can write it directly 3, 0, 1 point, 3, 0, 1 point, sorry, 3, 0, 24, 24, 4 to 5. So 3, 1, it is 3061.50 rupees. That is the answer. Okay, write it down. 5 questions we have already discussed. In my next video, we will discuss some more questions. So I request you all to please watch this video till the end and go through the concepts, formulae, and do this question, practice this questions. In my next video, I will bring for you some more important questions which are frequently coming. So thank you.